Happy New Year, guys! Happy 2025! Welcome to a new year. Hope you're back home. I hope your holidays were amazing, and I hope you're ready for what the new year will bring. Hope you've set your goals. Hope you are happy and excited for this new chapter. So let's start this new year well. Let's start it and let's make sure we stick to our goals and we achieve whatever the hell you want to achieve. Because what's the use of setting goals if you're not going to achieve them? So make the goal and then make a plan, a good plan.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride.
Morning. Considering today is the first day of work of the year, I just look like bleh. I'm at home. I have a lot of things. I have limited resources at my disposal, so I just stuck with what I have. I'm gonna buy new shoes. That's it. I'm gonna buy new shoes. When I'm okay, I'm gonna buy new shoes. I'm not really taking work with these shoes. But for the time being, whatever I have that I'm gonna work with, I even don't have a jacket. This one does not match these. Just everything is just a blah. It's okay. New year is a fresh new pair of shoes. It's a North Star shoe. I don't think you can see it, but yeah. It's been a while since I bought a new shoe. Been a while. Since I moved out, I have not bought any new shoe, so this is my first shoe since I moved out. Let me show you what I had worn. Caution, they're crusty and dirty, so I had worn this. You can see how they look like. This one I am saying goodbye today because I'm throwing them out. New shoes. They actually match my outfit. Okay, let's start the new year with a bit of cleaning. Talk to you guys later.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
Guys, it's Monday the 6th. I'm staying at home, but I wanna leave home today. And I could not tokens because there's a bit of a blackout at home. I buy tokens because I wanna leave them with tokens. Then I empty the bin. Then I go back to my place because it's time. It's time I go and see how my house is. Oh, this one is written main house. That's why it's written that. So yeah, let's go do that. You see my feet? It's the same. The one that I had worn on the 2nd. It's the same feet because I have no clothes here. So from tomorrow, maybe okay, from the next vlog, you'll see new feet. Going back to my place, look at my small luggage, oh. My luggage, it's so pretty by the way, in a fact finger, but in a finger very pretty. Look at it. This one fits a lot of things. Anyway, talk to you guys when I'm at home. No, I'll talk to you guys when I'm at my place. I'm pretty much at home, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm at my place. Yes.